So here in this video, I'll be teaching you how to design your book cover on Canva. So you download Canva on your phone and you sign up with your email address. Then once you come to this interface, this Canva interface, just come here, click on more here, then scroll to the left and you will see book cover. So there are two methods of designing a book cover. You can either choose the pre-existing book covers that we have here, then you just modify the elements, or you come here and build from scratch. The first method, we are going to be using a pre-existing book cover here. So let's look for a beautiful cover here that we can use. Let's pick this. So you click on it. And here you have your book cover template. So now you want to edit the name here. Just double click and write the name you want to give your own. Let's say you want to give it Eagle's Wings, or let's say creativity. So this is creativity here. Let's reduce the font. I guess the font is you come down here, you choose the font size. Then you can either use this button here, or you click on this inside this box and you pick your own font size. So this is it here, but this font size here is small. We want something very bold. Let's pick 120. Let's say 160. So let's use 160. Let's adjust the I want to adjust it here. So we've adjusted it here. So creativity. We are just writing something, at least the title of the book. Creativity at its best. Let's say, okay. So at its best, let's want to duplicate this. So this is the title of the book. Then let's change the image. You click on the image here, then you replace it. You can either replace it from using the image in your gallery, or you come to uploads here. You upload your files directly from your folder. But here I have already uploaded some images here. So let's make use of one of the images here. Let's pick this. So this is the image I'll be using for the book. Then I want to change the name. let's say my name is Mary James. Mary James. So that's my name. Well, let's say I want to also change this element here. So I come to the add button, click on elements. Then I'll see different lines and shapes here. Let's see all. So let's choose this. Remember, I want to replace this line here with this. So let me delete this one. So I'm deleting this and I'm retaining this. So I'm reducing this. Yeah. So I have this now. And so this is it here. I think it's okay this way. But let's move it up a bit. I want to move this up a bit. Sorry. So make sure the lines are aligned. So this is it here. Now I want to change the color of the background here, the background color. So just click on the template, come here, then you can scroll down and see if you would like any of the color. But if you already have a color in mind that you want to use, let's say you want to use purple for instance, just type in the color here or use the color code. If you have the color code, you can go to Google, search for color codes, pick the one you like, copy the color codes and color code and come and paste it here. And you have your own color here. So I'm picking, let's say, let me pick this one here. So I've changed the color. So we just modified the templates that we got here. And now we have our own book cover. So this is it here. Then you can now save to your phone, click on download, pick the format in which you want to download the file. Then you come down here and you download. So that's it. So let's go back and let's design another book cover from scratch. So you come here, pick templates. Can you see here? So you can pick any of the template here. But since we want to design another one from scratch, so you go back. You get on this old template that we have, just click on your back button. You see a round image here. Just click on it and press add here. So this is it here. Double click on this template, the new template that we just added. So this is it here. You want to change the color. Let's say you want to use black now, for instance. Let's use black. Let's type in black. So this is black here. So we are designing from scratch. So we'll come here. We've already changed the color. So we can add few elements to it. We can add few elements to the picture here, to the cover rather. So we can choose, let's scroll down. Maybe we can choose this, for instance. Then it's going to just be a very simple design and it won't really be doing much. So let's change the color of this to yellow, I guess. Something flashy. So you can go to Google, look for the color code of you would want to use, then come here, copy that color code from Google, then come and paste it here. So we are changing this color here. Let's pick yellow, for instance. Let's say yellow. This is yellow. Or let's pick this. Okay, I think this is cool. So this is yellow here. Then you can now write your name. The title of your book. Come to text here. Click on add heading. Then write your own heading here. Let's say the heading of your book is love stroke. Love stroke. So this is love stroke here. Then choose you can decide to change the font here. Let's change the font to this. So we've changed the font to this. Then we can increase the font size. Can increase it to 120. So we have a bold book title here. Or we can even increase it more so that people would see clearly what we have written on our book. So let's come to font size here. Let's pick 140. 140. So this is 140. I think this is cool. This is love stroke. Or let's reduce it a bit. I think it's a bit large. So this is 130. Yeah, cool. So this is it. Love stroke. Then we can now add few elements too. We just come to add button here. Click on elements. Then you can now go down, look for something you would like to see. Let's pick this, for instance. Let's pick this and let's pick this. So these are two elements here that I want to make use of. So this is one here. So you just play around with some of these designs here. You don't really need to know much about designing, but just look at, you can go to, for you to get inspiration about your book covers, go to Amazon itself, look at what your competitors are doing. You get, look at what your competitors are doing and do something better. Something better. You get. So this is it here, or you can, let's shift it up a bit. So we have our book cover. We can still change this color here to this, let's look for another shade of yellow. Yeah, I think this is better. So you have your design here. Then you can write your come to text here, write your name, add a subheading. Done. We want to edit this. Come to edit, write your name. Let's say your name is Marianne. Sorry, Mary Ann. So that's your name. You increase the font size. You can increase it to, let's say you want to increase it to 80 now. Then you want it boldly written. So this is it here. Then you drag it down. Drag it down and place it somewhere in the middle. Or you can come here, click on this symbol here. Then you can put at the middle, put at the left, put at the middle. You get, so that's it. So you have it here, and this is the title of your book. So you can now add, you can even still add some other elements, or if you have a picture you want to put, just go to your gallery and upload it. So this is elements. Let's see if we can add something like a symbol that looks like love now. Let's add a symbol of love, right? Okay. Or you can search here. Just come here, click love heart to even bring suggestions to you. So you have a lot of suggestions here. You can pick, let's pick this. Oh, this is beautiful. So this is just it. Or if you don't want this, or let's say you even want, let's play with this, for instance. You can use this now. We can change, let's change the color to white. So take this, you can put this somewhere here. You get? So this is it here. Just put it somewhere here. You can still reduce the size. Just drag it in and put it here. Oh, it's getting smaller. Let's increase it. So this is it here. Or let's drag it to the other end here. Let's put it here. Yeah. And you can still decide to add another love symbol. Let's look for one love symbol. Let's see, will this work? Oh, yeah, cool, it should. So this is another love symbol here that you can replace it with. But if you don't like this color, then you should go back and replace it with another symbol. So let's go back. Let's say we don't want this. We'll just remove it. Then remember that when you're also choosing color, you need to be, when you are choosing color, you need to be mindful of the kind of book you are writing. Now, because we are writing love stroke, we might just want to change this to red. Red signifies love. So we can just change this to red. So we already, so as you design, the more you design, the more you start getting inspiration. You get. So we can now choose this. You see, it goes. So it's cool this way. You get. So this is it here. So I think this is something better. And if you don't really want too much elements, you can choose to remove some of this. So it's as simple as that. So you can choose to remove this. So depending on your book title, that's what will influence the kind of image you use, then the color code that you use for your book. So this red here, I want something deep. Maybe we should just come here and type in red. Let's see if it will give us some other shades of red. Yeah, so this is another shade of red. Yeah, I think I love this. So this is cool. Yeah, this is beautiful. So if you don't like this, just remove it, delete it. So I'm just telling you what you can do with Canva, how you can design. You can choose to use the templates that you have there, or you can design your own from scratch. So this is just an example of designing a book from scratch. So we have designed a book from scratch. So you can choose to remove some of these elements and put in your own elements. Just scroll down, explore the app and look for something beautiful that you can use. And remember that your book title must be very bold, boldly written, so that people would see easily, and it must be catchy. If I see this, oh, this is beautiful. Okay, let me try this out. You get what I'm trying to say now? Or this one here, you can remove it, put in something simple, or you can even remove it totally and you leave it this way. You get what I'm saying? So let me design one more so that you have an understanding of what I'm trying to do. Let's say you have this now. This is the second one we just designed. And let us replicate this. Let's duplicate it. Just click on it and click duplicate. This is the first one that we designed. Double click on it. Come here, delete it. Come here, then delete this one. You can see. So it's as simple as that. Then you can choose to let's undo this. Okay, so you can choose to take this and put somewhere here. Maybe you want simplicity. You want something simple and beautiful. So this is one here. Cool. You get? So this is it here. Then come back here. So we have designed one here, love stroke. As simple as that. Nothing complicated about it. Or you can even come here. Okay, let me try out some other fonts here. Let's look for some other beautiful fonts that might look good. Yeah, that goes well with the kind of book that we want to write. So this is one here, love stroke. Or you can even decide to bring this stroke down here. You understand what I'm saying? So this is it, love stroke. Yeah. Can drag this one down, or you reduce the image size. Then you bring this one down here. So it's as beautiful as that. So this is one here, love stroke. Something someone will see and it will be so beautiful. So it's simple and straightforward. Nothing big, like nothing big. So this one here, you see, I duplicated it so that at least I want to have two images now, and I want to compare it. Now we have come here. So which one would you choose? I think I'll even go with this one here. This one here. Then maybe I can use this. I can use this for something else. Maybe I can just delete this, and I can use this. I can change this to, okay, maybe I've written another book and I would love to use this design that I put here. So just save the template for some other time. So the more you practice, the more you get the more you get good idea, something better. Let's say this one is eagle's wings. Eagles. Let's say you've written a book called Eagle's Wings. So this is eagle here. Then let's copy this. Wings. So this is eagle's wings. Let's change the font size. The font rather. The font here. Let's come here and change it to this. A Braille fat face. Let's change this one too. Let's change the font here to this one too. So this is one here. So your title must be very bold. So this is one here. So you can just play around with. So this is eagle's wings. Then just come here, change to a color you would like to use, something, an element of what you have designed up here. Maybe we can use pink. Let's search for pink. Let's see if we see something pink. See if it's going to bring some other designs of pink. Yeah, I think this goes. Let's use something cooler, or something cool. So let's use something cool. This is okay. I think I would go with these. Yeah, I think I'll go with this. So another thing that you can use to save your time is if you already know the color code you want to use. So you know the color code, just come straight up and you design whatever you want to design. So this is one here, eagle's wings. So make sure the font size is you can check the font size. This one is 209 and this one is 218. So let's take everything back to 209. So this is 209, eagle's wings. Then you can now put you can put a picture there. Let's say you want to put this. Sorry, hold on. Let's see what happened here. Maybe we should this is let's use this. Let's use this. So what's happening here? Why is it not showing? Hold on. So okay, I think the color is black. So let's change the color to white. Yeah. So this is here, eagle's wings. So the image you use must be the same thing as must be related to your book title. So this is one of eagle's wings, and this is an image here. You can choose to reduce the image, But you must be extra careful of the image you're using on Canva. Be sure that that image has no copyright on it. So this is it here. And then you have this. So we have come to the end of our book design. So you can choose to build from scratch, and you can choose to use existing templates. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.